Here. Come on. Come here, Max. You want to give me the blue ball? Huh? Come on. Yeah. Park. Hey. No. Get out it. Don't you do that.
Alright. Actually, I'm not going to let you go yet. I'll trust you. You got a bag? Well, Rob, unless you want me to use one of yours.
Here, I got bags. You got a bag?
I got one right here. Oh. But thank you.
Get him, Mitzi. Get him. Don't let him push you around. He's not old enough to be pushing anybody around.
Alright, Lil. Are you going to be good? Huh?
Well, he likes the big boy park. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, Mitzi. Yeah. I saw his couple of his namesake little dogs yesterday.